This is our manual rivet nut tool HT912. This tool set is equipped with 7 noses, M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, and M12, which means this tool can be used on all type rivet nut from M3 to M12. We now prepare the rivet nuts of M5 and M8 to demonstrate riveting performance. Let's see the actual demonstrate of the manual rivet nut HT912. Now we set the nose for M8, which is suitable for M8 rivet nut. Firstly, we open the handle and pull out the draw rod. Then we put the rivet nut on the tool nose and push the draw rod back. The rivet nut is fitted in right position. And press the handle, the rivet nut deformed. Finally, we open the handle, hold the rivet nut, and pull out the draw rod to the end. Riveting finished. Next, we will show the actual riveting performance of the M5 rivet nut. Firstly, we need to change the tool nose, take out the original nose and the cover, press down this protection tubular sleeve and remove the screw. Now we choose M5 nose assembly box, in which we equip screw and nose. Then press down this protection tubular sleeve, install the screw. Lift up the protection tubular sleeve, then install the tool nose cover and the nose for M5. In the same way before the riveting, open the handle and pull out the draw rod to the end, put on the rivet nut. Push the draw rod forward, the rivet nut is fitted in position. Then press the handle, the rivet nut deformed. Finally, open the handle, hold the rivet nut in hand and pull out the draw rod, riveting finished.